the sleeping bull sector that nobody's talking about that will dominate. We're going to talk about what that sector is, the different ways to look at the sector, and want to keep an eye out for you. If you really paid attention to this show, you've heard me talk about this before, but I'm going to go over it again. Once again, ladies and gentlemen, boys and girls, and children of all ages, you're now tuned into the Investor Show. As always, this is your gracious host, the Prince of Investing, Prince Dykes, coming to you guys and girls live all the way from the beautiful city and state of Denver, Colorado. Don't forget to hit that like, subscribe, comment, and share button. And as always, I don't have a lot of time, and I definitely know you guys and girls don't have a lot of time, so we're going to jump straight into it. So, ladies and gentlemen, boys and girls, and children of all ages, y'all have heard me talk about this sector before. This sector is currently up 20%. I have a momentum stock, the hot momentum stock right now that's unprofitable is up about 200%. And then I also have the stock that's a strong finance, it has strong financials, but it doesn't have that really big momentum. It's up 20% year to date. The entire sector that I'm seeing, the best way I can measure it, is up 20%. So what is this sector? If you're looking at it right now, you probably can tell what it is already. This is the cybersecurity sector. So in this video right here, this is the ETF called HACK, H-A-C-K, HACK. So inside of HACK, you go to HACK portfolio, you're going to have cybersecurity companies. You have Cisco, you have Cloudflare that's in here, Splunk is another one, FireEye is another one. You also have FireEye, CyberArk, or whatnot. So the two companies that I like to pay attention to, we're going to look at the first one. The first one is Crowdstrike. Crowdstrike is a company, it provides cybersecurity to a lot of government and private sectors. As we grow, and one thing this pandemic has shown us is how important the internet is. Everybody's at home. Netflix is booming. It's online. Facebook is booming online. Google is booming online. Amazon is booming online. The tech world is taking off. And as tech continues to grow, cybersecurity will become more and more important. Crowdstrike is up year to date about 150 to 200% already. Start off the year at 49%, already up to $137, right? Not profitable yet, but it has a lot of momentum. Now I'm going to show you the financially stable company. Fortinet. Fortinet is up only 20% so far this year. It is a profitable company. The company has no debt, a beautiful looking financial sheet. This is a sector, the cybersecurity world. HACK is the ETF that tracks the sector. Nobody's talking about it. People are not talking about it because a lot of people don't know about it. But this is the sector that's going to dominate and become more prominent through the future. Everybody has a website. Everybody's banking online. Everybody's going to school online. As more people like Zoom, you just saw Zoom shoot up 47%. Zoom shot up 47%. And you're going to see companies like this continue to blow through earnings. As these companies like Zoom becoming bigger and bigger and bigger, as they become more prominent, they're going to need cybersecurity. How are you going to stop someone from hacking into the New York Stock Exchange, into Zoom, into Amazon, hacking into Facebook? This cybersecurity is becoming more and more important. Even on the government front, the government becomes more technology advantage. Guess what? You're going to need cybersecurity. This is the sector nobody's talking about. It has a low bull, a small bull that's going on, but this bull is going to continue to dominate. So look at the cybersecurity world. The momentum company is CrowdStrike. The solid financial company is Fortnite. All right. So look into the sector and the overall sector itself, HACK, H-A-C-K, ETF. That's the best one that I can see that probably tracks it. But anyway, ladies and gentlemen, I wanted to give you guys and girls that. Don't forget to hit that like, subscribe, comment, and share button. And to the next video, podcast, cartoon, or whatever else crazy you see me do around the globe. Peace, be safe. I'm out. Thank you.